Hello, fellow YouTubers. How are you all doing today? Well, not much going on right at the moment, but West Virginia is getting hit pretty hard by flash flooding, and we're here in Fayette County, West Virginia. We're under a flash flood watch from now until midnight tonight, and it's kind of concerning. I said, just keep everyone in your thoughts and prayers, and if you possibly can, like and subscribe to my channel, and anything you'd like to try to discuss or anything, just put in the comments. And I thank you all very much, and you all have a blessed day.